Well, hello, my dear creative. It's Olga Sorokina here, and welcome to this class on interior drawing in Procreate. In this class, you will learn how to draw this beautiful interior in a one-point perspective in Procreate. So, step by step, I'll show you how to build perspective, how to make a lively line drawing, how to apply color and different wonderful effects in Procreate, so your sketches will look professional and literally unforgettable. Here you will get familiar with all the crucial stages of interior sketching in Procreate, so your drawing process will be a success and well optimized. I will show you how to breathe in life into your drawing process and how to put heart, emotions, and warmth to your sketches so your drawings will be amazing, both professional and beautiful. I'll share with you my favorite tools and quick comments in Procreate to speeden up your drawing and actually bring more fun to the drawing process itself. The goal of this course is not only to teach an iPad drawing, but mainly to inspire you to learn something new and valuable every day. It's all about progress. This class on drawing an interior in one-point perspective consists of 5 parts. I decided to create 5 really well digestible parts so you can take all the knowledge, all the best techniques in a really affordable chunks of time. So each video is approximately 20 minutes long, so you can fit it really easily into your busy day. You can pause this video to read through what's waiting for you in each and every part. So the program is really intense, and you'll get a lot from this class. And at the end of it, you'll be able to draw this beautiful interior. And Procreate app will become your best friend. You'll get really familiar with it. It will look easy at the end of this class. So I really can't wait to see you inside. And as always, stay creative, stay inspired, and all the best to you.